Okay, let's be honest. You wish you could probably make trades more precise and more profitable without watching the screen all day. And today I'm going to show you a cool tool inside NinjaTrader 8 that you're probably not using called Market If Touch Orders, or MIT orders for short. Stick around, I'll explain how this can change the way that you trade. If you like these sort of tutorials, be sure to hit that like button. Let me know that you want more, and then subscribe and you'll see if they come. Now, 7 years ago, we did a video on MIT orders. It was wildly popular. This is going to be an updated video to that because there was a bunch of questions asked in the comments that we're also going to cover in this video. Things you got to know. Now, why should you use MIT orders more often, and how do you set them up in NinjaTrader 8? So give me 10 seconds to cover what MIT orders are. For anyone that doesn't know, a MIT order is not like a traditional order. A market order and a limit order is probably what you're used to. They each have their own ups and downs. No pun intended. Market orders happen right away at the current price, but can sometimes cost you a lot more if the price changes quickly. Limit orders, you set the price you want, but they might not get filled if the market never reaches that price. So MIT orders are a bit different. You set a trigger price, and when the market hits that price, it turns into a market order. This way you get the speed of a market order, but only when the price is just right for you. It gives you a lot more control and can help you manage your trades even better. So basically, you're going to trade smarter by making sure your orders are filled at the prices you want, which can lead to better profits and less risk. Now let's get into how to set up MIT orders in NinjaTrader 8. I'll walk you through each step. Now I'm going to recommend that you actually watch the video first and do this later, and we can even go through it together later. But just watch the video right now first, because you're first going to open up NinjaTrader 8, and then you're going to click on that new menu in the top menu and then select order entry from that list. Now we have a video on 4 different ways to place an order. You might use an order machine. This is going to be through the order window. I can also show you it through NinjaTrader. Okay, so basically you can open up a chart if you want to see price moving and have those movements clearly displayed when you have your order window open, however you want to do it. Okay, through the drop down, you're going to find the order type, and it's going to click on it, scroll down until you see Market If Touch Ordered, and then you can click to select it. Now, if you want to do this through NinjaTrader's chart trader, you want to open up the asset first. So you want to trade a chart for that asset, and then you're going to open up your chart trader, and you're going to access that by right clicking on the chart, and you should see your MIT order there. So through the order window, you're going to set your trigger price here. If you're doing it through chart trader, you're going to just right click on the chart in the spot that you want, and then it's already going to be filled in for you. So in the order window, you can put in the quantity into the box, and you can put your time in force, or day is usually a good choice. With your chart trader, it's the same thing. You're going to do that on your side panel before clicking on the chart, right clicking on it and selecting your MIT order. Now let's put everything together with a real example. Imagine that you're watching the ES and it's currently trading around 5,800, and you think that if it goes up to 5,830 that it's going to drop. Here's how you set a MIT order for that. Now, I imagine most people are going to be using chart trader, so we're going to open that up to the ES, and we're going to adjust our quantity for the order that we want to place. We're then going to find and turn on our global crosshairs, 5830. We're going to right click on the chart, and then we're going to go down to MIT order here. Where is it? Sell MIT 1 at 5830. We're going to select that. Order submitted. Now your sell order is automatically going to execute as a Market If Touch order when the ES goes up to 5830. This way you don't have to watch the screen all day. Now here's a big tip. Okay, first of all, if you use ATM strategies, which everyone probably should be, you can go down into your ATMs and you can actually hit edit, and then you can go into the more option and you can have your targets as a MIT order. Okay, so your profit targets can be a MIT order. You can check it off so that when you do place your ATMs, those orders are going to be MIT orders as well. Now you might be thinking, what about your entry order? Okay, that entry order, you select the ATM, it gets attached to your order. So if you right click on the chart and go down to sell a MIT order, that's going to include your entry point as a MIT order with your ATM strategy. So your ATM strategies are there to manage the trade afterwards, and your actually order entry is going to be placed directly on the chart as a MIT order. But it's nice to have those profits as MIT orders too. So just understand that if you go into edit your ATM strategies, underneath that more options, where you would find that MIT option for your targets. Now, if you don't have your ATM strategies, we have a whole pack of them. It's totally free. You can get them from our website, XABCDtrading.com, and you can have those into your NinjaTrader 8, and then you can edit the ones that you want to use. There's a whole bunch of strategies as well as stop management strategies that you can effectively use with MIT orders. Now, if you get stuck with any of this, put it in the comments. We respond to everyone. You can see it in all our previous videos. It doesn't matter how old the video eventually gets. We do update these once in a while, like we have done with this one. We've answered a lot of those questions in this video now, which is going to be more current. I'll put a link in the description to the old one if you wanted to watch that one too. But if you have any questions, put them in there. We will get back to you.